Students, we will discuss questions from metallurgy which are very important and which are expected from this particular metallurgy. So, let us see question number 1. The lightest metal is the lightest metal: A. Lithium, B. Magnesium, C. Calcium, D. Sodium. See, lithium, magnesium, calcium, sodium are given. You will be knowing this particular atomic weights of this. See, lithium atomic weight is 7, magnesium is 24, calcium is 40, sodium is what, 23. You can easily understand from this. So, up to at least 20 elements, their atomic number, their mass numbers should remember. Among these, lithium is what, only 7 atomic mass. Therefore, lithium is the lightest metal. So, for the question number 1, answer is A. Question number 2, a mineral is called an ore if. See, a metal is having different types of minerals. Take X metal is having different types of minerals. A, B, C, D, like this, different types of minerals are there. But only from B or C or A or D, we extract the metal. We will choose such a mineral that from which we can extract the metal less expensively, profitably. Less expensively or profitably. So, let us see the answers now. A mineral is called an ore if a metal present in the mineral is costly. A metal can be extracted from it. A metal can be extracted profitably. A metal cannot be extracted from it. What I said. A metal is having different types of minerals, but we take among those only one at the ore, from which we can extract the metal profitably. So, question number 2, see, a metal can be extracted profitably. So, for question number 2, answer is C. Question number 3, sapphire is a mineral of zinc, copper, Hg and aluminum. Zinc, copper, mercury and aluminum. See, aluminum is actually important. Ore of aluminum is bauxite. We agree. This is actually Al2O3. Whenever Al2O3 is actually carrying some impurities like titanium and iron. This is carrying some impurities like either you take titanium or iron impurities. Whenever Al2O3 contaminated with some impurities like titanium and iron, that is getting some blue color. So, sapphire is nothing but a blue, sapphire blue we call. So, it is only the ore of aluminum or mineral of aluminum. Therefore, question number 3, answer is D. Question number 4, sperrylite is A. AgCl, B. PT, AS2, Fe2O3, D. SnO2. So, you might be knowing this particular AgCl, this is actually horn silver. PtAs2, let us see. Fe2O3, it is hematite. SnO2, you might be knowing this. This is tin stone. This is horn silver, hematite. This is what tin stone. The remaining, this particular PtAs2 is sperrylite. Therefore, question number 4, answer is B. Question number 5, Calamine is an ore of. Calamine is an ore of. See, mercury, zinc, cadmium, calcium. Calamine, you might be remembering, this is one of the carbonate ore of zinc. Zinc carbonate known as calamine. So, question number 5, answer is B. Question number 6, cinnabar is an ore of. Cinnabar, CaCuS, Cus, Ag2S, Ag2S, ZnS, Hgs. Cinnabar. See, Cus is actually known as copper glance. Ag2S is argentite. This is zinc blend. This is cinnabar. Cinnabar is an ore of mercury and Hgs is known as what? Cinnabar. See, question number 6, answer is D.